This is the part of the course you've been waiting for, creating formulas. Using formulas is one of the most common things you'll do in Excel. A formula is an expression you write to return a specific result, for instance, the answer to a calculation. In a previous video, we looked at how to enter data in a worksheet. You simply type the data and that's it. If you wanted to know what 5 plus 6 equals, we could try typing it in a cell and see what happens. So if I select cell A3 and type 5 plus 6 and press enter, you'll see that the formula bar and the cell both include the text 5 plus 6. This is not a formula, and we have not gotten the answer to the question, what does 5 plus 6 equal? When you enter a formula, you need to let Excel know that what you are typing is a formula and not just text. All formulas in Excel start with an equal sign, so to create a formula that calculates 5 plus 6, we need to type equals 5 plus 6 to get the answer. Let's try our formula again. Cell A3 is already selected, so if I just start typing my formula, it'll overwrite what was previously in the cell. I'll start the formula by typing an equal sign, then I'll type the number 5, followed by a plus sign, then the number 6, and then I'll press enter to finish the entry. After I press enter, you'll see the answer of 11 in cell A3. Pressing enter takes me to the next cell down in the worksheet. If I move back up to cell A3, you can see that the formula bar contains the formula equals 5 plus 6, while cell A3 contains the result 11. When you enter formulas in Excel, the formula bar shows the formula's expression, and the cell shows the result of the formula. Entering specific numbers in formulas is not very common. It's more common to reference cells in your worksheet within formulas.